All right, let's get right to it here. This is Meta. Meta has been in a fairly stable uptrend. We do have a pullback for the last 2 weeks with the algorithm saying the trend has reversed to the downside. Structure is now to the downside. I'm going to kind of wait and see and leave my forecast alone for right now. The closest order pool is down here. It would have to go all the way down to this if it breaks this low here in order for me to believe the trend is in fact going to change. So let's just leave that one alone. Next one up is Amazon. Amazon is pretty much a steady Eddie here going to the upside. We've got algorithms pointing up, we've got structure pointing up, and we have AI pointing up as well. So gonna keep that one sideways to up. Apple Computer, interesting here. They had a really good earnings report. The algorithms have changed to the upside. AI is showing upside pressure. Structure is here. We would have to break above this in order for it to be in an uptrend again. It did come very close to breaking the low here to go back down in a downtrend. There's supposed to be a bunch of new announcements about AI in June at the developers meeting. So let's wait for WWDC in June and see if that has a positive effect on Apple's trend right now. I'm going to leave my forecast the same, sideways to down on Apple. Netflix had a bit of a pullback for the last few weeks here. The algorithms are showing a downward trend, but structure is still to the upside. The all-time high is way up here. So we do have a lot of room to go to the upside still. I'm going to leave the forecast the same, sideways to up for Netflix. Google looked like it was going to have some issues, but looks like it's continued its trajectory to the upside. As you see, it broke the all-time high here, and it really had a strong week 2 weeks ago. It's consolidating a little, but algorithms are to the upside, structures to the upside, AI is showing upside pressure. So I am going to change my forecast here to sideways to up for Google. All right. Next up is the euro. Same old there, still sideways to down. That's what I'm going to leave my forecast at. Same with pound USD. I'm going to stick with sideways. Dollar yen. I'm going to change my forecast here to sideways for a little while. We broke, and here's the reason why. We broke through the high here. We had a rocket ship ride up, but we had a big correcting bar here, and we're right back down to that high, which is now potentially support. Structure still to the upside, trend is to the downside according to the algorithms. We have upside pressure from AI here. I'm going to leave this as sideways for now. Pound chief, nothing really new here. We have entered into this order pool and are bouncing off of it. So just pretty much sideways, I'm going to say, for this one. All right, Bitcoin. Nothing really changed here. We're just consolidating. Looks like a little bit more money is starting to come back into the Bitcoin ETFs. So we'll leave our forecast the same here, and that holds true for Ethereum and for Litecoin as well. All right, gold. Gold is still in an uptrend. It really rocketed up here above 2,400 ounce. We've had a little bit of a pullback here, but algorithms are still pointing up. AI is still showing upside pressure. Structures to the upside. Sideways to up for gold, and I believe we'll see the same thing hold true for silver. Yeah, sideways to up for silver as well. So that's what it looks like this week. Hope you have a good week trading. Over and out. Introducing some new things for 2024. First of which is the FX Morning Mayhem podcast. Each week I will go over my sentiment for the marketplace, point out any significant news of the day, give you my top picks on my watch list, and then hopefully give you some tips and tricks on how you can improve your trading. If you like the FAANG report, you should check out the Trade Faction. The Trade Faction is a Slack channel in which I post my trading plan for the day and go through my trades in detail. If you just want to learn about trading or hang out, you can come to the Trade Faction. Best thing about it, it's free. Just go to the website, click on the link, and join for free.